Hello, 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 it's Dolly and I am here to share the layouts I completed in the month of November, which is, I think it's 1819. I have process videos for each one of these layouts and I will try to tell you the day they were posted so that if you miss seeing the video, you can go check it out. This will go by very quickly. I will point out some items for you. All right, let's get started with the first one. This one is created for Close to My Heart. I was documenting fall layouts and I was using this background paper is from the Cedar and Pine collection that was released in November. I was using the stamp of the month in November. These products here, the white ones with the gold, is from Grateful Heart from 2018 collection from Close to My Heart, and I am a consultant and I will leave my contact information listed below, so if you'd like to come over and shop with me, if you like anything that you see now or future items, so keep it in your contact information because you never know. All right, so I posted this one November the 7th, and this is a photograph of myself, my little guy, and my granddaughter, and this photograph was taken in I think 2014. All right, so this layout here was created for Oh So Inspired, and it was posted November 15th, and this is me over here, and this is my birthday of March of 2018. I have this little flip here which shows me blowing out my candles, some of my family members and friends, and this is what I'd call the 50 plus group here, and I am the oldest right here. And when I say 50 plus, it is the plus. All right, I really like how this layout turned out. I have some mixed media going on. I have metal on here. I have foam stickers. I have plain stickers. I have chipboard. Just lots of dimension. And I have sequins. And I have charms. And I have die cuts. And I have paper ones. And I stamped on it. And again, I use this stamp here is from Close to My Heart. And like I said, I'm a consultant. I'll have the information. All right, this layout was created for Scrapbook Generation 6x6 series hot put on by Janet over at RTS Scrapbooking. And this was posted November the 3rd. So I took 6x6 papers and cut them in 1-inch squares. I used Alta New die cut pack. That's probably 2017-18. You'd have to go watch the video. I may have released the year. I have some thread in here. I have enamel dots. This will go on my little guy's outline. Very fitting, the mood and feel and age appropriate for him. I like doing layouts like that. So if I'm doing a layout and it's 10 years later and he's 10, then I'm going to create it based on that, just that mood and feel. I like doing that. All right, this layout was from Memorial Weekend. These are friends that have a place up over where we do in the Mountain House, and they are a retired couple, and they live up there full time, and they are just so relaxed. I just love what I captured here. I have a rainbow in the back, the flag, everything represents that day perfectly. Did a little bit of journaling, and this is for Let's Get Messy Wednesday, where we use mixed media products, and this was posted November the 6th. Oops, stuck. All right, this layout was created for another hop for Marcy Terra's 27-day challenge, and we posted, when was this posted? I apparently don't have it written down. I think the 14th. I think it's the 14th of November. And of course, this is fall. I'm doing a lot of fall, but you'll see some other mixtures in here. They're not all fall layouts. I love this die cut thing that I got from Hobby Lobby's a while ago. The squirrel here is just so cute. And it says, "Hey there, foxy lady." And so anyway, it could be referring to myself or my sister-in-law. And anyway, I have some enamel dots. I have a dolly here, lots of chipboard going on, and some gold splatters going on. You need to go check out that video for more details. All right, this is a layout that I created for, let's see, what was this one created for? Oh, Mini Kit Mondays. All right, we had a recipe list that we needed to put our kit together. You didn't have to. It's just an inspiration, and I like to follow that. And I'm documenting the Blue Ridge Parkway Bridge here that I get to see I'm so blessed I get to see that every time I go up to our mountain retreat property. So this layout was posted November the 11th for Mini Kit Monday. All right, this one is for Mini Kit Monday, and this was posted November the 18th. And as you can see here, I have this whimsical cascade and disconnect of papers going on, and I love it. So what I'm saying by that is some are tucked in, some are disconnected. We've kind of got this cascade, slight cascade going, or if you want to say like a wave type thing going. I've got chipboard here going on. I used my sidekick and a die. I've got wood veneer here in 3 places. This layout was done for Mini Kit Monday, and it was posted November 25th. No, it was not for Mini Kit Monday. I apologize. This is for Multi-Photo Monday, which was posted November 18th. Little bit different design. I'm not always a fan to have this breakup, but it's okay. You try to get your eye moving around in the clusters. And I'm sorry for all my hand movements. I apologize. All right, so this was posted November 18th, and you need to go check out that video if you'd like to know more details about it. All right, this layout was created for Festive Friday. This one was posted, I know it's a Friday, maybe November 1st or November 15th. But so check out those dates, November 1st or November 15th. And again, we have a list of items to use, and you got at least use 3 items. And on this one, we were to use a woodland character, something representing a pine cone, something to represent thankful, burlap. So anyway, I love how this layout turned out. Again, this is documenting my little guy, so I can get away with putting this big old chipmunk character on here. And yes, I have some space here. It's okay to have space. Not white trap space, but it is okay to have white space. All right, running out of breath. All right, so this was for Mini Kit Monday. This one was for Mini Kit Monday, and it was posted November 25th. This is more on the simpler side. I refrain from putting any type of splatters or mixed media on here, and that's okay. It's okay to go simple too. You want to mix it up a little bit, guys. All right, so I just got some enamel dots here. I put a little bit of leftover from making a border punch right up in here from making this dolly. I made that dolly, so you need to go check it out. I've got chipboard, I've got wood veneer, alphas, puffy elements, a flare, like I said, wood veneer, die cuts. All right, this would be for Festive Friday. And this one was the one that was posted November 1st. The other one that I showed you with the chipmunk was posted November 15th. Now I remember. All right, just documenting when I was doing some stitching on my layout. I stitched through my layout and onto my blanket because I'm like, why isn't this lifting up? What's going on? Why does it feel so heavy? And a silly moment of me. So anyway, our this was, I think, for celebrating National Button Day. So we had to put buttons on our layout. We had to stitch on our layout. So I did the stitching here. What else did we have to do? Oh, I think lots of paper layers. Love that layout too. All right, this might be my favorite layout. I did this one for Everyday Inspiration, and we post on the 15th of every month. And one of us ladies from the Everyday Inspiration picks out a everyday photograph. And this was about a downtown landscape scheme with the mountain scheme behind it. You know, lots of snow and white and you know, almost that industrial looking type thing is the way the photograph looks. So you'd have to go check it out because that photograph is posted with this layout. Again, November 15th, Everyday Inspiration. And I am documenting North Carolina ice storm last year. And that's what the ice cubes represent, is the storm to remind me. But you can see the ice on the limbs, the rocks, and on my hummingbird feeder, which is glass. And I was so scared because I guess I wasn't paying attention to the weather report, and I forgot to bring that in, and thank goodness it did not break, because again, it is my favorite hummingbird. Love this layout. It is my favorite. All right, I created this layout for Close to My Heart, and I used the Cedar and Pine collection on here. So everything that's on here is from the Cedar and Pine and the Holly Jolly loose sequins. And this is of my daughter-in-law and her family. Love. This is definitely a favorite as well. And this one was posted November the 8th. All right, this is using the Cedar and Pine from Close to My Heart collection. I still got to do my journaling here. I haven't done. And I scrap lift a page from the November-December catalog. And when was this one posted? Oh my goodness, let's see. This would be posted November the 10th. All right, this one was for the collective, and it was posted November 20th. Again, using my grab box, Pink Fresh Studio grab box. And so everything that's on here is Pink Fresh Studio except for my silver shimmer trim here. And when I originally did this layout, I did not have the right black pen, so this would pop. This looks much better than my still shots at the original, but I didn't have one, and then I went out and purchased one from a Hobby Lobby. And then I have splatters here. Love that layout as well. All right, this is using Close to My Heart. I did a double spread layout here. Using Close to My Heart. This is using the Cedar and Pine from Close to My Heart that was released for November. And this one was posted, goodness, when was this one posted? I'm not sure. Wow, I've been really good about telling you when they've all been posted, but I don't remember on this one. But it is a double spread. Love how this turned out too. Love, love, love. And again, I scrap lifted a page from the Close to My Heart catalog. They call it the Idea catalog, that's released every other month. So this was for November and December. And so you need to go check that out. And when did I post this? I think this was posted November the 9th. But go check out my Close to My Heart videos. And this is my last one, and this was posted November 27th for Off the Board. And we take something that we pinned on our Pinterest that we wanted to scrap lift, and that is what I did, another Christmas layout. So see, I have Christmas, fall layouts, I have winter layouts, fall layouts. Fall, I did quite a bit, I'm not going to lie, fall layouts. Then some that have a fall feeling, but fall wasn't here quite yet. But it was like in the month of September, but the leaves had not even started changing. Fall, right before fall, May, August, March, and fall of 2014. All right. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. And hopefully this stuff was all on the screen, because I was not looking at my phone while I was doing this. I was standing up and I should have been looking at my phone to make sure it was in the screen properly. But you can actually go back and look at all the videos, all right, and see how the process, how I created all these layouts. All right, get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. We'll see you in December. December, I will be bringing you lots of videos. I'll bring you some card making videos and documenting December, along with Mini Kit Monday and my other little collaborations that I do once a month. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.